Hello, welcome to my present author study presentation. We are going to talk about Mo Williams. My name is Emily Riddle. Here's some things about Mo Williams. He was born on February the 11th, 1968 in Illinois. His father, Casey, quit his job and to become a porter and a stay-at-home dad, while his mom, Constance, worked as a lawyer. Mo Williams was raised in New Orleans. He graduated from multiple schools, from Trinity School, Newman School, graduated from New York University School of Arts. Later on, after he did that, he married Cheryl Camp in Brooklyn, New York in 1997. They only have one daughter. Some fun facts about Mo Williams. His real name is Marcy Charles Williams. When he was 3 or 4, he started to draw and create his own characters. He enjoys writing funny stories and share with them. He also, a little fun fact that I found out about him is that if the adult laughs, if you as an adult laugh at his books, he knows his stories are good. But if you don't laugh, and only give him a polite comment, then he knows his story was bad. So that's how he feels about his stories. Um, some books about that he wrote. He does a lot of pigeon books. It's what he's known for. In 2003, he released his first book, and it was based on what does the pigeon, it's all about a pigeon. This book is called The Duckling Gets a Cookie. It was published in 2012. It won an award in 2013. It's been reviewed by publishers, Weekly, First Review, Common Sense Media, The New York Times, and Autofill. This book is about a duckling that demands a cookie. He does accept a cookie and the pigeon mourns about it, but is puzzled when the duckling gives the cookie to him. These pigeon books are really relatable to our, I would say, maybe 6 to 8 year old kids, maybe a little bit older, but they're funny, they're cute. He draws them. More about Mo Williams' career. Traveling around the world, drawing cartoons every day is what he loves to do. He started writing for Sesame Street. He has earned 6 Emmy Awards from 1993 to about 2002. He made promo for Cartoon Networks and animating the opening for a show on Nickelodeon. Later created 2 animated television series, The Off Boats and Nickelodeon and Sheep in the Big City for Cartoon Network. Since 2003, he has authored numerous books for young children. In 2019, he was named the Kennedy Center's first education artist in residence. Here's another one of his books. It's basically a series. It's Knuckle Bunny. I think there's about a few books, but here's one of them. In 2005, it won an award. Sold more than 5 copies. It does have sequels. So this one was in 2005. The sequel was 2007, and then you've got September of 10. So there's 3 of them. And it's about a Knuckle Bunny investigates on the use of communication. How exactly can we communicate with each other? It's Trixie lost her favorite bunny on the way to the laundromat, and she couldn't locate the right words to describe to her father what was wrong. She was very sad. He selected her words until finding the right solution. So this book is for good. If your kids aren't communicating with you, you can read it to them and talk to them about it. This is another little series that he's done. Mel Williams has won multiple awards for his books. 3 of his books have won the Coldell Award for Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, the Knuckle Bunny, all 3 Knuckle Bunnies of the books, and they also won the Choice Awards for Children's Illustrated Book. In 2005, Leonardo the Terrible Monster was named Time Magazine's Best Children's Book and awarded Book of the Year honor book in 2006. Elephant and Piggy is also another one of his series that he has won 2 award medals and 5 honors of We Are in a Book, I Broke My Truck, Let's Go to a Drive, The Big Guy Took My Ball, and Waiting is Not Easy. In 2009, I Love My New Toy earned Golden Kite Award, and The Pigeon Needs a Bath awarded Best Pictures by Goodreads in 2014. The Thank You Book awarded the same award by Goodreads, but in 2016. And in 2019, Williams was named the Best of Brooklyn. Here's also another little cute book of his. It's Let's Go Driving by Elephant and Piggy. Elephant and Piggy is also one of his other series that he's come up with. It was published in 2012. It's won an award. It's about an elephant and a pig who want to drive. They determine, what to take on this trip, but some people get confused, and then they make a proposal, and then things get better. I feel like this book is good for children who really might need a good push on how to make decisions in life. Well, here's some references that I found on him. Some give links to their books, but Mo Williams is an American writer, and he does his own children's books. He draws them. He is well known for The Pigeons, The Elephant and Piggy's Friendship, and The Adventures of Trixie and Her Knuckle Bunny. He is no longer doing anything with TV. He mainly does drawings and writings, so he focuses more on that. And that's what he's still doing to this day. Well, that's it. The end. Thank you for listening.